Alright, you ready to go inside?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh crap.
So how bad is it?
It's pretty bad. I'm gonna have to get it repaired, but I don't really want to be without my phone.
Sounds good. Sounds good. All right. Mm-hmm. All right, bye-bye. Oh no! My phone just fell. I wonder how, oh my god, it cracked. I wonder how much this is gonna be to repair. It cracked. It's gonna cost a lot of money. I wonder where I can take it.
Are you tired of breaking your phone screen and having to wait for days or even a week to have it repaired? Hi, my name is Emmanuel Fabian and I'm one of the founders and CEO of Fix a Screen. Fix a Screen is a local phone repair pop-up shop here in the Central Valley. We focus on providing the best and fastest service with our highly skilled technicians. Just come into our store, drop your phone off, and we will have it fixed within a matter of hours or at most by the end of the day. Once your phone is ready, you can come in and pick it up, or we can personally have it delivered right to your door, saving you time and money. Our mission is to save you time and money by fixing your broken phone screen in the most convenient and fastest way possible. We are also on a mission to donate 200 electronics this year, ranging from computers, tablets, and phones to underserved students here in the Central Valley. So what are you waiting for? Come in and fix your broken phone screen today.
Hello, my name is Ashlyn Schitt. I found Fix a Screen as I was walking around Fresno. It was convenient at the time as my screen was cracked pretty bad. From the time I walked in until the time I walked out, it took 15 minutes for them to fix my screen. The thing I liked best about this company was their customer service. They were friendly, truthful, and efficient. And most importantly, they fixed my screen. I would definitely recommend this company to my friends and family.